Hi everyone, I am Manoj. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you know you can able to use the TallyPrime software for free up to 7 days? You heard that right? Exactly. Now you can able to use the TallyPrime software for free up to 7 days during your trial version. So I truly believe that the best way to get to know about the TallyPrime is by experiencing it. So in this video, I have demonstrated how exactly you can able to take the TallyPrime trial version. Before that, if you are a business owner or consultant or maybe a tax professional, if you are thinking to purchase the TallyPrime software, no need to worry. Fill the form which is there in the description. I'll personally reach out to you and guide you. Fine then, so without much further ado, let's quickly jump into the demonstration of the trial version. Yes. Hi everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how exactly you can able to take TallyPrime trial. Okay, so the first and foremost thing you should type here TallyPrime. Once you type TallyPrime, you can see download TallyPrime software is there. Okay, so click here. Once you click on tallysolution.com website, so this is the home page actually. Tallysolution.com is an official website. If you go to product section, in the product section you can see TallyPrime. Once you open the TallyPrime, you can see there are three options. One is instant demo. If you want to see instant demo, you can click here. If you wanted to purchase the license on rent, you can click here. Or else if you wanted to take the trial version, so you can click here. I click on take it free trial. I'll mention I'm a business owner, so my name is Manoj and my mobile number is so and so and my email ID. Okay, so I have mentioned my email ID, then pin code. So pin code, I'll just check pin. So this is 560078. Okay, I'll mention the pin code as 560078. Submit. Take the form for the trial version. Now I'll go to my email. Okay, you can see I got a mail from the Tally solution. It's an official mail. Once you click here, you can see, hi there, thank you for signing up for the Tally's free trial. We hope you will love our product as much as we do. We are looking forward welcoming you into our family. Okay, so and they have given here serial number and activation key. So the best way to get to know TallyPrime is by experiencing it. Download it here. So I can download the software and I can put the serial number, this one, activation key. To help you get familiar with the product, there are few videos. Okay, they have given the videos also and they have given the customer care number. So everything. So what I can do is I have to open the TallyPrime software. So let me open the TallyPrime software. Yes, so this is how the software gets opened. This is the home page of a landing page, we can say. Now here go to activate new license, click on yes. It is asking administrator permission, click on yes again, and now it started reloading again. Yes, now it is asking active serial number, activation key, email ID. So now what I'll do is that I will copy the serial number. Okay, Control C, Control V, done. Now it is asking activation key. So this is the activation key. I will copy this one, then I'll paste it here. Then it's asking email ID / tally.net user. So I will enter my email ID which I have provided earlier. Okay, so this is the email ID which I have provided earlier to take up a 7 days free trial. I click on enter. It's asking confirmation of the same email ID. Okay, no worries, I can be able to type. So this is a confirmation email ID. Click on enter. So it is just processing the information which I have entered. It is asking unlock key. So enter the unlock key sent to your email ID. Let me go and check whether they have sent the unlock key or not. Oh my goodness, yes, absolutely. They have sent an unlock key as well. So I will copy this unlock key. I'll paste here. Once you click on enter, wonderful. So it is saying that congratulations, your license is successfully activated. So that means now I can able to pass all the entries. I can able to use any feature in Tally without having any restriction. Click on enter. So now if you go to example gold license here, you can see your email id, right? So you can able to see your email id, and you can able to see uh, when it's going to expiring, like 26th March. Today is 19th March. That means we are having roughly 7 days, and it's a licensed one. I got a new serial number which is which is given by the Tally. So this is how you can able to take a license from the Tally for 7 days free. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.